Sorry. Someday. Mm. Paano mo alam? Sorry. It's been 6. Tulog na ako. Thank you for watching. 2 million. Ay, nawala. At nang nawala. At nang umalis. You and I, we belong. Oh my God. Kulay. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Kahit kailan. Kahit kailan. Di kita iiwan. Kahit kailan. Kahit kailan. Iyong damdamin. Sa puso ko'y ikaw lamang. Thank you for watching. 2 million. Nasaan na yun sila? Very sorry, guys. Better to sit up because you will fall asleep. No, I'm not fall asleep. I'm not fall asleep. Try. I can try to make it fine. It's time. Let's get in bed. Sure, you will. Okay. I get up. Get up, get up, get out of my head. Wait lang. I'm feeling too much. Thank you for watching, everyone. Get up, get up, get out. Thank you for the tamsak. Thank you po. Parang tumaba na ako. Parang, my God, thank you for the tamsak. Thank you for 5 million viewers. Hi. Don't mean to let girlfriend. I know, I know, I know, I know. May kulay. Bulong ng iyong damdamin. Sa puso ko, ikaw lamang. Ang siyang nais kong makanta. Thank you for the 6 people watching. Baka naman, tatamsik naman. Antonin Zames. Hi, good evening, Zames. Zames. Good evening po. Saan sa Financial? Bicol po, Bicol. I'm sorry to let your good. No, thank you for 8 people watching. Thank you so much. Lovely meeting you. You look great. By the way, always sleeping. Thank you so much. Hello, Enrique Alves. Hi, Enrique Alves. How are you? Thank you for joining here again. Bulong ng iyong damdamin. Kahit kailan siya nais ko makanta. Hi, for 7 people here. Thank you for watching. 7 million. 7 million. Guys, have your screen for a like. Thank you, team. Thank you, my team. Thank you so much. I did too. Wish I can give it more. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Sam. Thank you so much. Tulog ng iyong damdamin. Walang anuman. Thank you. We all know Sam. Thank you po. Thank you. I am fine. Although I only know 35% of what you says. I'm improving my English. That's great, Henrique Alves. Me too. Thank you for the time sec, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the watching. Oh my god. Daming gamit. Okay. Bye-bye. I fell sleepy. Bye po. See you next live. You are not only beautiful lady, but sweet and charismatic. God bless. Thank you. Thank you, Song. God bless. Bye-bye.